Unfortunately, we don't have much time, so you guys don't get to see my slide. I promise you the best slide you can see today. It's good for business leaders to understand AI in a similar way. Should they go all in with it or not? Should they stay as a human-only business, or do they risk? Do they risk going extinct? Most likely, right? How do you augment the intelligences? Is there a way to have these two intelligences work together, human and artificial? Yes, there is. In fact, there are even two ways to get that to work. Right? Are you using surface-level AI solutions? Are you using automation tools, which are a bit deeper but still surface-level? Are you doing AI integration? Instead of you now fitting your processes to the AI, you get the AI to fit to your processes instead. So it's part of your business. Understand your data, understand your processes. Right? So you don't need to be typing data in some chatbot and so on. From start to finish, it's about data. It's all data moving from one point to the other. So how do you bring AI into that? You have to understand your data flows. You have to be able to label each one. Are you capturing data? Are you creating data? Are you refining data? Are you creating data? Are you tucking data away? Or are you sending data? So 3 steps about clarity, precision, and action. Each section they complete, they get a card like a souvenir. Right? So you do the clarity part, the first part of it, you get this card, then you do the precision part. You can see some SpaceX rockets trying to land there. And then the last part is the action. What do you lay out as your strategy and so on, and then they keep the cards. And then this is the worksheet I told you about, identifying your painful processes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.